Hello friends, today I am going to talk about Xenia and hydroponics. In my other videos I have often told you about hydroponics and the result, but today I am going to show you very amazing results and you will be surprised to see them. And also later when you start your trees or the saplings from your seeds, then I am sure you are going to go for hydroponic technology rather than old traditional planting the seeds in the soil. So here you can see three pots. All the three are carrying zinnia plants. One is having only zinnia, the other is having two zinnia plant, and this one is having a small zinnia plant. So now I'm going to show you what does growing in plant in hydroponic and growing plant in soil does. This small plant, all the three are the same variety of zinnia. I'm going to show you the packet of zinnia plants which I'm using. So this is polar bear white zinnia plant grown in all the three of these, and if you see the growth of these three, it is tremendously it is changed in all. And you must be thinking that the reason for this difference is because of the time duration in which they were sown. So let me show you when did I started these plants from seeds. So this was so this was started in May 7th, and this was started on May 7th. Later on this was started on May 9th, and same for this plant. These two were started on May 9th, this was started on 7th May. So you can consider that all the three were started in the same duration. And today is 10th of June, so 1 month from the day they were planted, and this is the growth. Just look at the growth. This is growing so tall, and this one is not doing as great as both of these first two plants. I'll show you why. Now this plant, if you see, it is contained in two bottles. One is the bottle beneath it, and other that is empty, and other bottle is this which is carrying the soil and some coco peat. And if I just take it out, you can see the roots, the rich white thick roots which are going into the water placed in this bottle. So this is what hydroponics does to your plant. So since the plant is getting the nourishment directly from the water, and there is no point of over watering if you grow the plant like this, and there is no reason to bother about under watering the plants, because every time the plant requires the water, the roots are in the water, and they can take up the water. But in this case, if there is no water in the soil, the plant is going to die. But in this case, if there is water in your pot, in the below pot, but not in the soil, in the top pot, if there is no water in the top pot, if you see this plant also has two pots, but these two are very tightly fixed. I'm not able to take them out, but still, if I not through the camera, but through my eyes, I can see that you can see now there are so many roots in the beneath pot. So I would suggest you all to go for hydroponics, and definitely you are going to see the change in result. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and keep sharing it, keep liking it. Do comment if you need more information. Zinnia are really very easy to grow. Just take a pot, take some soil in it, mix it with compost, and on the upper layer I always suggest put some coco peat, and just dig a small hole, put your zinnia seed, water it every day. Normal water is required. Over watering can cause the death of the plant, and make sure if you are using this kind of setup, then you need to water it every day. But if you are using this kind of setup where you have water at the base of the pot, then you need not water it every day. Only when the water in the beneath pot dries out, then only you have to water it, and that too you need not water it from here. You can direct from the place where the soil goes, you can directly water at the bottom, and the plant is automatically suck it. And this is the part where I am not going to start up my new zinnia plants. So I'm going to use the same seeds, white polar bear, zinnia, and once it starts to flower, I'm going to share it with you. So keep watching. Thanks for your subscription, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I appreciate for your time. Thank you so much.